What is Pegasus spyware and how did it target Indians on WhatsApp? At least 24 Indian academics, lawyers, Dalit activists and journalists were targeted for surveillance for 2 weeks until May 2019 on WhatsApp. Israeli cybersecurity firm NSO's technology, Pegasus, sent exploit links to people to penetrate their phone's security without their knowledge. Once installed, Pegasus could extract users' private data, passwords, texts, and even voice calls. Assaulting Truth. The social network writer criticizes Zuckerberg. Aaron Sorkin, the writer of the 2010 American biographical drama film, The Social Network, about Facebook's origin, criticized the platform's co-founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg in an open letter, noting that Zuckerberg had called the movie a lie. Sorkin criticized Facebook's recent policy that lets politicians lie in ads. That's not defending free speech, Mark. That's assaulting truth, he said. Israel firm hacked into phone via video call on WhatsApp. Israel's NSO group allegedly helped its clients hack into cell phones by exploiting a WhatsApp vulnerability that allowed its Pegasus malware to be installed via a video call. The malware allowed NSO's clients, said to be government agencies, to access victims' SMSs, emails, browsing history and contacts. It can also activate the camera and microphone, record calls and capture screenshots. Creator of Python programming language Guido announces retirement. Guido van Rossum, the creator of computer programming language Python, has announced that he is leaving cloud file hosting service Dropbox after over 6.5 years and is now retired. Our CEO Drew Houston's very first lines of code for Dropbox were written in Python. Dropbox wrote, "It's bittersweet. I've learned a lot during my time as an engineer here," Guido said. Facebook was in talks to buy Fitbit but Google paid double. Report. Facebook was in talks to acquire US fitness wearables maker Fitbit before Google. However, the latter offered around double than what the social media giant was offering. The information reported. Google on Friday announced it has agreed to acquire Fitbit for $2.1 billion. Google said the purchase is an opportunity to invest even more in Wear OS.